Welcome to the Iraqi Dinar Update channel, your trusted source for the latest news, analysis and insights on the Iraqi dinar. We provide up-to-date information on exchange rates, economic developments and key financial trends affecting Iraq's currency. Whether you're an investor, trader or simply keeping an eye on the market, our channel delivers accurate reports, expert opinions and government policy updates to keep you informed. Stay tuned for real-time updates and in-depth discussions on the future of the Iraqi dinar. The Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, is taking steps toward implementing a digital currency to gradually replace paper currency, marking a significant milestone in the country's financial and monetary landscape. This development carries profound implications not only for Iraq's economy but also for individuals who hold Iraqi dinars, particularly those anticipating a revaluation (RV). If the CBI successfully transitions to digital currency, it could create conditions that accelerate the long-expected RV process, potentially allowing for the exchange of paper dinars at the newly adjusted rate. A shift from paper currency to digital currency is not merely a modernization effort, it represents a transformative change in how money is issued, managed and circulated within Iraq's economy. By digitizing the currency, the CBI would gain a greater level of control over monetary supply, transactions, and economic policy enforcement. One of the primary motivations behind this move is to reduce reliance on cash, improve financial inclusion, and integrate Iraq's monetary system with global financial markets. This shift aligns with international trends, where central banks across the world are exploring or implementing digital currencies to enhance financial stability and economic growth. For dinar holders, this transition raises a critical question. What happens to the paper currency currently in circulation? Historically, when central banks introduce new forms of money, they often implement a process of phasing out the old currency, which involves an exchange period during which holders can swap old notes for new ones. If Iraq follows a similar process, individuals who possess physical dinars may need to exchange them within a specified timeframe. The potential for an RV becomes particularly interesting in this context. If Iraq intends to revalue its currency as part of this transition, the CBI may allow paper dinars to be exchanged at the new rate before they are fully phased out, giving dinar holders an opportunity to benefit from the revaluation. Understanding how central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, function provides further insight into why this move is significant. A CBDC is a digital representation of a country's national currency, issued and backed by the central bank. Unlike cryptocurrencies, which operate on decentralized networks and are not controlled by any government, a CBDC remains under the control of monetary authorities. The primary advantages of a CBDC include enhanced security, reduced risk of counterfeiting, and increased efficiency in financial transactions. Moreover, a CBDC allows for real-time tracking of money flows, making it easier to combat financial crimes such as money laundering and illicit transactions. In Iraq's case, this level of transparency could be a key factor in strengthening the integrity of its banking system and restoring international confidence in the dinar. One of the biggest challenges facing Iraq's financial system has been currency instability and limited global recognition of the dinar. For years, the Iraqi economy has struggled with issues such as inflation, fluctuating exchange rates, and dependency on the US dollar. The introduction of a digital currency could serve as a mechanism to stabilize the dinar by reducing dependency on cash-based transactions and creating a more secure and controlled financial environment. If successful, this move could help the dinar gain credibility on the international stage, paving the way for greater integration into global markets and increasing the likelihood of an RV. An important aspect to consider is how the digital currency will be introduced and whether it will be implemented in parallel with the existing paper currency before a complete transition. If Iraq follows a model similar to that of other countries experimenting with digital currency, there may be a dual system in which both paper and digital dinars coexist for a period before the paper currency is gradually withdrawn. During this period, the exchange process for existing paper dinars would be a crucial factor in determining whether an RV takes place. If the CBI announces that paper dinars can be exchanged at a revalued rate as part of the transition, it would mark a monumental moment for investors and dinar holders who have been anticipating such a change for years. There are also strategic reasons why the CBI may choose to implement a dinar in conjunction with the introduction of digital currency. Revaluation could serve as a confidence-building measure, reassuring both domestic and international investors that Iraq is taking serious steps toward financial reform. A stronger dinar would encourage greater foreign investment and economic participation, leading to overall growth and stability. Furthermore, an RV tied to digital currency would help the CBI prevent large-scale cash hoarding or black market exchanges, ensuring a smoother transition to the new system. Despite the potential benefits, there are also risks and challenges associated with this transformation. Implementing a digital currency requires advanced financial infrastructure, regulatory frameworks, and public trust. Iraq must ensure that its banking institutions and technology systems are prepared to handle a digital currency securely and efficiently. Additionally, public adoption will be key. Many Iraqis still rely heavily on cash transactions, and transitioning to a digital system will require education, incentives, and gradual implementation to gain widespread acceptance. Another factor to consider is how the global financial community responds to Iraq's move toward digital currency. International organizations such as the International Monetary Fund, IMF, and the World Bank have been closely monitoring the development of digital currencies worldwide. Their stance on Iraq's initiative could influence foreign investment and financial support. If Iraq demonstrates that it can successfully implement a digital currency while maintaining economic stability, it could lead to increased international engagement and opportunities for economic partnerships. Ultimately, if the CBI can pull off this transition effectively, the introduction of digital currency may indeed accelerate the RB timeline. The move toward a digital dinar could serve as a catalyst for financial reforms that include a revaluation, benefiting both the Iraqi economy and those who hold dinars. While many uncertainties remain, the mere announcement of a digital currency initiative signals a significant shift in Iraq's monetary policy, suggesting that major changes could be on the horizon sooner than expected. For those who have been following Iraq's financial developments and awaiting a potential RV, this news represents both an opportunity and a call for careful observation. The coming months will likely bring further details on how the digital currency will be implemented and what steps the CBI will take to manage the transition from paper to digital dinars. If an RV is indeed part of the plan, it could happen in a way that ensures a controlled and structured exchange process, allowing dinar holders to benefit while preventing economic disruption. As Iraq moves forward with this initiative, it is clear that the country is entering a new phase of monetary evolution. Whether or not an RB is directly linked to the introduction of digital currency, the very fact that the CBI is working toward this transformation indicates that Iraq is taking serious steps toward modernizing its financial system. For dinar holders, this is a moment to stay informed and be prepared for potential changes in the currency landscape. The future of Iraq's monetary system is unfolding rapidly, and those who understand the implications of these changes will be best positioned to navigate the transition successfully. Thank you for tuning in to the Iraqi Dinar Update channel. We appreciate your support and engagement as we continue to bring you the latest news, analysis, and updates on the Iraqi dinar. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an important update. Stay connected with us for real-time insights, expert discussions, and market trends. Until next time, stay informed and keep watching for the latest on the Iraqi dinar. See you in the next update.